Hello dear friends, we are discussing about the muscles of the hand, right? And in that we are discussing about the muscles of hypothenar region, in which in the previous lecture I have already discussed about the abductor digiti minimi, abductor digiti minimi. Now let's discuss about another muscle, that is the flexure digitorum minimi brevis. Brevis means short, digiti minimi means digitorum minimi means this finger. So it will cause the flexion, right? It will cause the flexion like this. So this is the flexion of digiti minimi. Let's do it. Okay, a little bit. Okay, so flexure digiti minimi brevis is a short intrinsic muscle of the hand. It belongs to the group of muscles called the hypothenar muscles, right? Flexure digitorum minimi brevis, and then it is located in the hypothenar region of your hand. Yes, we know that hypothenar region of the head. And then from where does it arise? It gets its origin from the hook of hamate bone and the flexure retinaculum. It gets its origin from, this is flexure digiti minimi, this one, right? Medially. Flexure digiti minimi, it gets its origin from the hook of hamate bone, and this is flexure retinaculum, right? So from here. And it inserts into the base of the proximal phalanx of digit 5. So you can see here the base of the phalanx of the proximal phalanx of digit number 5. So it inserts here the base of the proximal phalanx of digit number 5. Okay, what are its actions? At metacarpophalangeal joint number 5, it will cause finger flexion, right, and also lateral rotation and opposition. It also helps in that, but the major movement of it is the finger flexion, right? Digiti minimi, finger flexion. Okay, what is its blood supply? It is supplied by the deep palmar branches of the ulnar artery, deep palmar branches of the ulnar artery, and it is innervated by the deep branch of the ulnar nerve, which comes from C8 and T1, right? So this was about the flexure digitorum minimi. What did we discuss? We discussed about abductor digiti minimi and flexure digitorum minimi brevis muscle, right? The next lecture we will discuss another muscle.